Greetings everybody, how are you? I am Syed Musab Rahim Hashmi advocate who has recently done LLM from the UK. Tomorrow, that is 10th October 2023, I am going to take a 1 hour class on Zoom related to introduction to High Court practice. How advocates are supposed to practice in the High Court, and since 2018-19 to 2022, how have I done the practice, and a few things which you have to focus on drafting, and few things on which you have to focus while arguing. I'm not a very senior advocate, but whatever knowledge I have, I'm ready to share. For example, in 2022, I had filed 6 cases in the Honorable High Court of Telangana, situated at Hyderabad, and out of those 5 have been disposed, meaning the parties have won, and 1 is pending. Not even 1 case in 2022 was lost or dismissed. Then in 2023, I went for the Masters in Law, so I could not file any cases in 2023. So this is the thing. Those who are already enrolled in the Bar Council of Andhra, Telangana, they are most welcome. And people who are law students, priority will be given to those whom I know personally. And then for those people whom I don't know and they want to join in the class, they'll have to submit a proof showing that either they are enrolled in the Bar Council of Andhra Telangana, or a proof showing that they are doing LLB or LLM. Okay, bye.